everyone, good morning. Tingnan nyo, yung gawa ko kagabi na tauge lumpia, sobrang sarap po, my darling. Kasi gusto nyo veggie. Tapos yung sabaw, sinigang, gulay sa kanya.
Morning to all of you.
We got Filipino food, my darling, guwapo.
So what did you put? This
Just
not
banana.
the sinigang, right?
No.
Is it sweet?
Yeah, because of the banana.
Yeah. That's like a new take on sinigang.
Yeah, no, it's not sinigang because we don't have sinigang.
No, but it looks like sinigang.
Yeah. Yummy?
Your version.
Yeah, he wants to eat rice. I don't want to eat rice.
Well, I just want to eat healthy, so
Yeah.
rice with some veggies, and you make lovely lumpias.
Okay, enjoy your food. Ano ka dyan, Day? Tukan ka na, Day?
Ay, mga agata.
Oh, nagsweldo na siya.
Uy, follow nyo ako sa Facebook page ko, Miss Agata. Oh my God. Excited ako, alam nyo. Nakasahod na ako. First time, di ba?
Ang pilam sweldo, Day?
Magkanado man tayo pag makatanggap tayo ng sahod, guys.
Ang pilam sweldo.
Ano lang, $60. So, kahit kunti, basta lagi. No? Oh, follow nyo ako, guys, ha?
Ano mga
Ilagay
Facebook
mo
mo?
yung sa, ano, ha?
Ano ilagay? Ang puday?
Ilagay mo yung lagay mo dyan sa, ano.
Ay, yung Facebook mo dyan. Anong,
Facebook ko, ilagay mo dyan, ha?
anong Facebook mo, Day?
Miss Agata, follow all, guys. Thank you, Mama Chup Chup.
Paglulus. Nabuang na siya, Day. Kaon pumpkin.
Kaon to all of you.
Now, we're going to Marina Mall today. And then, we're going to buy mango. So, our OTD.
What do you think of my OOTD?
Yeah, nice. You look good. Summary. And me too. Ito kay April to na damit. Tapos maluwag siya sa akin. So, nilagyan ko siya ng pugong mani siya. Ano to siya? Ponytail. Tapos, this is a ponytail. Kapot ponytail.
Oh.
And I put it here. Because it was loose, to.
Yeah.
So, now it look
my
better.
shorts are missing a button.
That's why later
I just covered up
Yeah.
the belt.
Wala din siya ano yung ano na walang batunis kaya bilang ko batunis tahiin ko mamaya. Okay, let's go.
See,
Simple.
off we go.
Hi, may hapon.
Nanay ko ay nandyan. Security ka.
Securities, putahan.
Security siya pag may mugawas ba maghihap siya. Si Agatas Kyrie wala sila dito malis. Maglinis ako mamaya. Linisin ko magmap ako. Magpunta muna kami ni Saki yung bili ng mangga. Let's go. Punta kami but we drop by here in the empanada. I like empanada here. Tita Belen's empanada. Gusto ko yung empanada nila. Bili tayo. Destination. Where's my darling? My darling there. My darling is very supportive with me, ba? You're very good.
Oh,
You're so good.
I'm just a beast of burden. I always carry everything.
Please support it. You shouldn't say that. You just care a little man. You're so buwang.
But you know me, I easily get tired.
Okay, you want... I will take you home?
No. No.
You're tired ba? And then you always like to come wherever I go.
Yeah, we just set out on our journey.
So, why is that?
Let's proceed.
You're tired but you always want to come. Why you always want to come?
Because I want to experience the Philippines.
But you always
So,
experience it every
wherever
time you come
go,
here.
I want to be there.
You're so
And
guapo.
it's it's an exciting, exhilarating, interesting environment here.
Okay. Well said. So, dito kami sa ano. May pusok na to. Papunta Marina Mall. May nahanap ako dito. Dito kami sa Marina Mall. Oh. Nag-iiba na kami sa Marina Mall. Ay, may mga tinda. Para siyang ano, tabo-banay ba? Nahanap akong tindahan. Yeah. Kami sa hypermarket. Bili tissue. Hindi ako pwede umalis walang tissue. Nagbili ako nito. Tapos ano panglagay ba kasi magluto-luto tayo. Toothpaste, garbage bag, and plastic. Yan lang naman bibilhin ko. Tapos magbili kami ng mangga. So, drive day again. O alam nyo ba may ano tayo, may nakilala tayong subscriber si Ma'am Anna. Nanonood daw siya ng pa-vlog natin. Pumpkin, no? She's watching our vlog.
Yeah.
Thank you Ma'am Anna. Pero alam nyo ba?
Greetings.
Yeah, shout out to Ma'am Anna. Na-meet ko sa
Nice to meet you.
SM Hypermarket dito sa may Marina Mall. Drive. My darling should drive also sometime. So, Mama Ana, thank you so much. At alam nyo ba, mamahiya talaga ako pag may I'm always shy if someone approach me ba. Pumpkin.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm always shy.
So why you're never shy towards me?
Only, I'm not shy in the camera. Hindi na ako nahiya sa camera kasi baga na naman akong naong. Pero pag may ako, may makilala, pag may oh, we need to buy manga too. We need to go that way.
Oh, yeah.
You want to buy manga?
Yeah.
Balid ako ng mangga, so dito kami magdaan. Pag may may makakilala sa akin, mahiya ako. Kaya nahiya ako. Pero sa camera, pag mag-vlog ako, wala na akong hiya. Lang pag may taong makakilala sa atin. Always shy.
Don't be shy.
So punta kami doon sa may Cordoba na may bilihan ng mangga. Bili kami ng mangga. So dito kami magdaan sa bigger road. Uy, where's
So,
mine?
like where we're gonna buy the manga, it's Marigondon, right?
Yeah, in Cordoba, Marigondon, I think so.
Yeah, towards Cordoba.
Yeah, I need to wear my eyeglass because I will not see shit. There's a guy.
Well,
Nay, I think
there's many guys.
he cannot really see well.
Nah, you're right.
Buang pumpkin. You're
Yeah.
so there's many guys. I mean, the guy who's walking, he cannot see
Oh,
well.
nah, yeah.
May tao ba yung para siyang na siya babangga sa gilid ng sasakyan. Hindi siya makakita. Kaya nagpadapling tayo. Anyway, on the way na kami doon sa bilihan ng mangga. Hindi traffic today because it's holiday. So it's not traffic. So next time my darling will drive. My God, but the car here drive very crazy, man. They drive here very fast. Dito sa malaking main road na inanuhan lagi ng marathon, like triathlon.
Hmm. Yeah, was it the Iron Man
Yeah,
that was
Ironman.
being held here on
Yeah.
this road?
Yeah, this road, that's why the road here is bigger. Papunta kami doon, tapos may nadaanan akong Don Benito's Pichi. You like Pichi to?
I like it, yes.
Yeah,
I
that's
do.
why I'm going to buy it for my
Okay.
darling. Just wait here in the car, okay?
Yeah.
Papunta kami ngayon sa bilihan ng mangga. Kay Mangga is life para kay sa akin town. Hindi pwedeng walang mangga kay makailang siyang mangga pag nandito sa Pinas. Traffic is life, bili tayo ng mangga. Doon ka na ako ng saging. Or na yung Cordoba. Yung mangga na, ibili kami ng mangga dyan. Bili kami ng bread dito sa Bread Fanatics. Masarap yung bread nila. Tapos dito may restaurant din. Daming restaurant dito. Sa may sakyan, nalibog siya. Asa siya pa yun. Doon sa Bread Fanatics. Very good sourdough bread. Korean professional hair designer specialty store. Specialty store.
Specialty store? Yeah.
Masarap yung sourdough pizza nila dito sa Saki. Try ko na last time with Carrie Ann. April po siya, hindi pa na-try. Yun na. We go inside. Usay magpa-deliver ko Grab. Yung bread pizza sa Fanatics. Tapos siya, Farish siya sa likod. Tapos open pumpkin. Pizza. It's our room. It's nice here. If you like a small party, it's all very quiet. Where you like to sit? Because it's no people here. Cool. They even have the aircon cool. So where you like, and you can have karaoke. You can have like a party here. Yeah. So where you like to sit? So where you like to sit? There?
Oh wait, it's a bit near the
You can sit there, the two people.
Yeah.
Ito na ang pa-pizza nila. Yummy. Yeah, looks yum.
It looks very good.
Kain. Kumain. Masarap yung pizza nila.
Sourdough Pizza Company.
Yeah. A very good dough, the pizza.
I've never had a pizza here before.
Yeah.
You've been here before also
Yeah, I've been
for a pizza, right?
Kunya na chuk ka. Ano ba
So I'm full in anticipation.
Dito ko rin binibili yung ano ko, yung bread ko. No,
It's a kind of it's a bakery, right?
Yeah, bakery.
It's a bakery, but they also have this
pizza.
upstairs small area for pizzas, and they also have sandwiches.
Yeah. If you like to try like sourdough pizza, you should try here the Bread Fanatic. It's very good. Very good yung ano nila. Kasi yung importante kasi sa pizza no, yung dough talaga. Para sa akin, hindi naman pare-pareho. Yung importante sa akin, you know, for me, the most, because every people have different opinion with the pizza. But for me, the most important with the pizza is the dough. Oh, I like it. Very thin crust.
Okay.
Yeah. Sauce, one sauce.
We'll see, because this is a spicy sauce. I have some cutlery.
Ah, yeah.
Yes, thank you.
Kain.
Kaki. First pizza here, Pizza Phonetics. Oh no, Bread
I
Phonetics.
think maybe we should just put it here because
Yeah, I think so.
it's not branded.
No.
Parang siyang hindi complete. So, put it here, put it here, and middle here. Kain pumpkin. Wait, you got your picture?
Hmm.
Ah, it's okay.
Okay.
Ayaw daw niya tanggalin yung kalong niya kasi pangit daw yun. Ayaw niya na siya.
Look, my hair is a mess. Oh no, I don't have hair.
We don't have. Oh, they have crowd that time. It's a crowd. Right.
Mm.
I don't know.
That's already quite spicy.
I don't remember.
I don't think I would put any more herbs. And also not the spicy sauce because salami is quite spicy on its own. This one mine? Oh,
Yeah.
That's one.
That's good.
Well, it's a lot.
Oh, it is in mine. Kay...
Ah, what a bit thirsty.
Yeah. So how is it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. It's always better than usual. Much better.
No, I like the dough.
No.
The dough is thin and chewy. Top. Maybe I like the dough. If you had the dough on top, the dough there, I like that.
No. Very good.
Enjoy mo namin yung pizza. Ito yung nabili namin doon. Doon Benito's Pizza Pizza. Empanada. Tapos daming mangga. Wow. Ang kamot sa mangga. Tamis kayo. Ay, katamis sa mangga. Dami to. I think 400 plus. To. Tapos sobrang dami. Ilang kilo ba ito? Basta madami yan. More than mga 4 kilo yata yan. O 3 kilo. Tapos litos. Pumaya kami na litos doon. At may banana at banana din yung saba. Masarap yan long agon.
watching to Mommy's vlog. See you next time. I love you all. Bye.